Hello my crypto friends, this is your boy AIRDROP. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel again. So guys, this is another crypto video about King's Life and King's Life token, and in this video I just want to show you how to add or to import the King's token into your Metamask wallet. So guys, we can import the King's token to both the Metamask wallet and also the Trust wallet, and in this video I'm going to show you how it is done to in the Metamask wallet. So guys, the first step that you should do is to open up your Metamask wallet, and if you have not yet installed the Metamask wallet, there is a video in the description of this video that can help you guide on how to open up a Metamask wallet on PC. And another thing also is that you need that Metamask wallet has to have Binance Smart Chain network. So in case also you don't have that, I also have a video that shows you how to add Binance Smart Chain network on your Metamask wallet. So guys, all that said, let me jump into the video. So I already have Metamask installed on my PC, so I have to click on here. So when I click that, it will open up my Metamask wallet because I've already installed it here. So as you can see, it has opened up, and if you look here, you can see that by default Metamask is on the Ethereum mainnet. So you click on this arrow and then you choose Binance Smart Chain. I've already installed mine, so I'll have to click on Binance Smart Chain, and then it will switch to Binance Smart Chain. So now what we should do again is that now we are going to import. So if you look at the assets here, I'm only having BNB, and AVR. So I click on import token, and then it will bring token address here. So you have to put the token address here. I already have it here. You copy it, all of it, don't leave out anything. You copy it, you come and paste it here. So when you paste it there, all these other things will auto generate by themselves. The token symbol will come as king and token decimal will come as 18. So you click on custom and then it will come. So as you can see, I'm having 0 king in my Metamask wallet. So guys, you click on import tokens, and then it would have been added or imported to your Metamask wallet successfully. So guys, if I'm to go back here, you can see that now you can see that I'm having 3 tokens here, and my king token has already been added successfully to my Metamask wallet. So if I'm to click that, you can see that it is already added. So guys, basically that's how we add King token in your Metamask wallet. So that's it guys, I'll see you in the next update video, and remember, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I bring out almost every day in my crypto world. And also, if you have not yet got your King tokens, they are giving away 2,500 free King tokens to whoever joins King's Life. So the link is in the description of the video. Click on it and see how you can get your free 2,500 King tokens. So that's it guys, I'll see you in the next update video.